with Around the Table, and I'm in the kitchen today showing you how to make hearty spaghetti and meatballs. It's gonna be delicious. So let's get started. I'm scooping out my meatballs, but I want to tell you what I've done here. I've mixed ground beef, a little bit of hot breakfast sausage. I put some Worcestershire sauce in, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and lots of great seasonings like salt and pepper, ground mustard, a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, and I also added an egg as well as a little bit of cream. Cream is like a secret ingredient with meatballs. It just makes them really light and puffy when you cook them. So now what I'm doing is I'm just scooping them out with a kitchen scoop and I'm rolling them gently. You can see I've got my pan lined with foil. That's going to make easy cleanup. I'm just going to bake my meatballs and while I'm cooking my spaghetti and getting my sauce all ready. Okay, so now I'm ready to plate my spaghetti and meatballs. I've just cooked my pasta in salted water until it's al dente. That means it's just still a little bit, has a little bit of bite to it. And I'm just going to put that in my plate here. And then I'm going to go ahead and ladle on some spaghetti sauce. And you can make your own spaghetti sauce at home using fresh ingredients, or you can use your favorite jar sauce. Either way, it's going to be delicious. And then, last but not least, I'm going to add a couple of yummy, delicious meatballs, just like that. And the only thing it needs now is just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And once again, I'm Lori Fangio, and today we've been making spaghetti and meatballs. Get your family around the dinner table. See you next time.